I made this video for those of you that may be interested in this bushing bolt cage nut repair. And good morning. This is another My Jeep video on my 2008 Ford Expedition, and this is just a follow-up on the bushing mount. As you might recall, if you watch the videos, I'm on number 4 position on each side. I had trouble with these things breaking loose, and I was going to replace the cages that hold the nut, but this is what I ended up doing. If you can make these out, that right there, that was bent way back to that side, and this one the same way over here. And what I did is I took my, I don't know if you can see it, my pry bar, got it in there, and I bent those back as far as I could. Then I took the hammer and I hammered it down. So they're across that, they're across that nut and up against it. And I think that would hold it if I ever have to take this out again. They said every 5 years you should check these things. Anyway, I thought I would show you that, and I'm going to do it on the other side too. And what I'm fixing to do, I'm going to bend this back. I'm going to put some Loctite on this and let it drip down in there. It's got some Loctite on the bolt, but and then I'm going to bend this back, get it back into place, and then I'm going to fill it in with RTV, probably a couple of coats, because I want to make sure I got a good seal there. And I may even put some 100-mile-an-hour tape over it too, and then put the carpet over that. And after that, reinstall my seat. You don't want a leak here of any kind, because moisture can get up in there and get up underneath the carpet. Plus, I found, driving around, checking how these bushing bolts felt, and they feel really nice and smooth. But I could hear a leak back here and on the other side, so I damn sure don't want a leak. Noise, extra noise. Okay, that's just an update on these bushing mounts, and hope this will do it. I won't have to worry about it for a while. Anyway, that's my Jeep out. Okay, what I'm doing here, as you can see, what I did, I took my small hammer and I tapped that back into place. That's pretty tough metal. Now, I don't know if this RTV is going to stay in place. It may drip down, but I'll just keep applying it until I can get a coat over it. Yeah, this RTV, it may drip down, and what I'll have to do is I'll just have to see if this is going to work or not. I'll keep putting it in this area that I drill through, and hopefully it'll dry, and I'll put another coat on it, and as many as I have to get a good seal there, and then I'll put some 100-mile-an-hour tape over it. Okay, guys, let me get some of that. That's what it looks like. That's the first coat of RTV over that area. And later on, when that dries, I'm going to check it out. I'm going to put another, probably a thin coat on it, and spread it out, make it a little more uniform. And let it dry overnight. And then I may put some tape over it. We'll see. Out. Okay, this is the next morning. This is what it looks like right now. You see, that's got a good seal there. To make it, I may put another thin layer on here and try to make it a little more uniform. It's just cosmetic. And put some tape over it because I want a good seal here. And I'll go from there. And I still got the other side to do. I may go ahead and what I'm going to do is when I get this the way I want it, I'm going to put my carpet down, put my trim back in, and reinstall that seat right there. And then in a couple of days, I'll probably get the other side. Out for now. Thanks for watching.